Hello everyone, my name is Santiago and I'm going to talk to you about the Trojan horse fable. Okay, so this story is based on two sides that fought over one territory several times, were many years. It was the Spartans and the Trojans, and they couldn't get to a point where this war was going to end. So the Spartans decided to make a trap. They gave them a gift that was a horse that included some soldiers inside the horse in order to invade the city in a way that the Trojans couldn't find out. So this strategy worked, and at the middle of the night, the Trojans, well, the Spartans that were inside this horse, got out of the horse and killed people and won the war. So this story, as itself, it can sound like a little bit boring, but it has like a very interesting background, like a good moral that I'm going to tell you, and you're going to understand me a lot. So, when I was in seventh grade, I didn't like math class. I didn't enjoy this class. I had bad grades, and when I arrived to this class, I used to play with my friends, talk with my friends, skip this class. So, of course, as you can imagine, my teacher was tired of me. So he thought of about his own Trojan horse. One day, he talked with me and he told me, like, Santiago, I'm tired of this situation. If you want, I can pass you this class. You won't have to take tests and you will get an A plus. And this was like a great alternative for me, a great solution. So I said, like, yes, of course, I'm going to accept it. When I arrived to eighth grade, I began to notice that I had a clear problem in my math background. I wasn't aware of the topics. I had very bad grades. And at the end of the first period of eighth grade, I failed my class and my parents grounded me. When, a few time ago, later on, I figured out that this was all for my bad idea of accepting the Trojan horse of my teacher that of passing my math class. What's important of this is that sometimes in life, you have to take into account that every decision has a very important background, has a very important thing behind this decision. So you have to take into account many factors once you are going to accept something or to make something or to make to make a decision to do something. It's very important that you always reconsider what you are doing, take into account everything, and always analyze what you are doing because as it can happen to me, it's very important in life, you don't take your own Trojan